achieve all the things you start, all the things you start. So never, never, never give up, even though the going's tough. Don't stop trying when you're tiring and you're out of fun. Never, never, never give up, even though you're feeling rough. If at first you don't succeed, never, never, never give up. If at first you don't succeed, then try and try again. Nothing in life is ever as easy, but you get there in the end. Get there in the end. So blow your cares and walls behind you, start a brand new day. Nothing can stop you reaching your goal. If you're determined, you can do it. You will find a way. You will find a way. So never, never, never give up, even though the going's tough. Don't stop trying when you're tiring and you're out of fun. Never, never, never give up, even though you're feeling rough. And if at first you don't succeed, never, never, never give up. Some things seem impossible, answers hard to find. No matter how improbable, you won't know until you try. You can do whatever you choose.